Guys, we're going to do another Lego creation, and I named it Croco Giraffe and Hunter Wheel. Shout out to Z-Boys Explorers, and their name is Sion and Sab. Oh, hello YouTube. This video is for you. Welcome to Harold Curious Mind. I'm going to show you how I made Croco Giraffe. You can copy this, guys, using your old Lego. You don't need to buy a new one. We're still doing the neck and the head and the neck will spin. The head and neck will spin totally. That is because it has to move like this. This is how we move. Even it will spin. One more left. Okay, now we'll put the head. I'll just show you how to make the head. Just attach this into the top of his mouth, and then we'll put this as his ears. It is like corn, crocodile, or alligator plus giraffe is equal to Croco Giraffe or giraffe gator. Oh, and we have to do its mouth. I forgot that. Alright, the mouth will be ready soon. After I I'll just have to put all these so I can make the mouth of it. I mean, not mouse, it's mouse. Mouse. My Lego has been in like this. That is because it is broken. But I fixed it already. So a Lego just already has dropped off on this. So I'll do the mouth right now. Oh, it's not this, it is this. What I'm holding. And then after this, we're going to do this. This is the back of his mouth. And we'll attach this into this. This is how you make the head or face of it. Now we'll attach it to his neck. We'll make his body right now. We attach this. It's into this red little platform. So we're still building more and more. It is alternate. Oh no, it's not alternate. It is falling down. So I will have to put the tail, but don't worry, I'll put the tail after this. While I do this, you can do like me as well, or you can copy me, because I am making my own Legos. No instructions for this one because it's my own creations. You don't need the new Legos. You can still keep building it. And while you're building it, you will still have to use this Legos. There, now that is better. Or attach this brown thing. It's going to have to be the 1x4, and this is the 1x2, and the 1x1. Oh, the 1x1 is still. This is the 1x1, and this is the 1x1. So I'm still attaching those. All right, in pairs. I will attach the tail right now. All right, the tail is good, so we have to attach the tail. And after the tail, we'll do the feet. So the feet will be right there. After I make it, Oh. And there you have it. So this is the Croco Giraffe. And his head is rotating 360 degrees like this. Now I'm going to do hunter wheel. Okay, we're finding for its eyebrows or ears. So this is his 2 ears. He has 4 ears, right? Oh, maybe he has 4 to... Maybe he has 6 ears. We have to... Yes, the other one is there. So we'll attach it. Alright. Whoa, it's not like that. It is supposed to be near each other. And we'll have to put this standing as well. See, this is how it stands. And I made the same head as from before. See? This is the head of it. But we're already doing the body. I'm attaching this wheel, but it's like a road roller drum. But it's not a road roller drum, but it can be a roller drum. A road roller drum is a part of a road roller. Some road rollers has only 1 drums, but the others have 2. And we still have to attach this, so it'll be alternate. Alternate means normal. Alternate is different each other. Each of different things are alternate. And we're still making it. And this is how you attach. Oh, the wheel. We're putting the wheels or attaching the wheels. Oh, how do I attach this? Okay, we're attaching it. Okay, now we make it into the same size of this wheel. That's a tire. It is a monster car or truck tire. Oh, come on, attach. Alright, so this is how the wheels looks like. See? One is different and one is different. That means it's alternate. This is how we attach it. Alright, the attaching is done. I am putting this or attaching this, but I have to attach the gears first. These are the gears. This is the gears for the front of the drum. Because rollers has drums. But we're already finishing it. We're halfway there. Okay. There, now it is working, but another one is already different to the other one. That means alternate. And we attach this this drum to make it just only in this middle thing. Or a middle something. So we're almost done. We have to attach it. It's almost done because I'll put the head now. So this is my hunter wheel that I've already made in Lego with wheels. This is the drum for it. It's like a road roller. You can play with it, and this is how it moves. I have to just move it slow. Okay, this is how you move it. So this is my 2 Lego creations. It's Croco Giraffe and Hunter